So if you want to make a loop for your friendship bracelets, but you can't seem to get it the right size every time, and you want to make them look the same for each bracelet, and you can't get it at the spot that you want it, a really simple method to make it the same size every time is to just take something cylindrical, just like a pen, and then tie your knot, and then put the loop around your pen or whatever you're using, and then just push the knot up close to the pen like this, and then just tighten it, and then you can take it off your pen, and each time you'll have a loop that's the exact same size.